You need kimchi. I'm going to use mozzarella for this one. I'm only using 1 egg, but use as many as you want. And we have smoked bacon, 2 cups of rice, butter, sesame oil, and sesame seeds. I don't have the Korean chili powder, so I'm going to use crushed chilies. Now we cook the bacon. Next is kimchi, crushed chilies, 2 cups of rice in. This time is different from what Stephanie has done because I'm only going to use 1 egg, so here it is. Now put the egg at the center. After everything, this is the final product. So I hope you enjoyed my improvised Stephanie's kimchi rice recipe. Thank you.